Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it's time to get cooking. Today, guys, I am making delicious apple pie enchiladas. There's nothing else to say. These are just so delicious, and they are super easy to make. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make them. All right, so you will need some flour tortillas, a can of apple pie filling, 1 stick of butter, a half of a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half of a cup each of brown sugar and white sugar. All right, so this seriously could not be any easier. I am just going to take a tortilla and fill it with some of the apple pie filling. All right, so the apples, as you can see, are big chunks. Now you can place them in there just like this. I am going to actually chop them up a little bit, and I'm just going to take a knife and literally just go down in my can and just kind of slice them up just a little bit. I just find it easier to fill the tortillas. All right, so now I'm just going to take a couple tablespoons of that pie filling, and you want to make sure that you leave room to fold in the ends and then make a little burrito with your pie filling inside, just like that. All right, and there you go, super easy. Now, I am going to take some nonstick spray, and I'm going to spray the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. Then I'm going to place my apple pie enchilada seam side down into my baking dish. And you will end up with 8 apple pie enchiladas. But now we've got to make this delicious sauce that we're going to pour over top of them. All right, so I'm adding the 1 stick of butter to a small sauce pot. And I'm also going to add the half a cup of water, the brown sugar, the white sugar, and the cinnamon. All right, so I'm going to stir all this together, and once that butter melts, I'm going to bring it up to a boil and let it boil for about 3 minutes. All right, so the butter has melted, and as you can see, it's starting to boil all around the edges, so I'm going to set my timer for 3 minutes. All right, so my sauce is done, and now I'm going to pour it over top of my apple pie enchiladas. All right, and then I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes. All right, so it has been 30 minutes, and my apple pie enchiladas have been sitting in that delicious cinnamony sauce. And the reason why you want to do that is you just want to let those flour tortillas kind of absorb some of that goodness. Now you're going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. All right, guys. The apple pie enchiladas are all done, and oh my goodness, they look and smell delicious. Well, you guys know what I'm about to do. I'm about to show you what they look like. Yeah. A little ice cream, a drizzle of caramel sauce. All right, so here goes. And you've got to have ice cream with apple pie, right? Okay, apple pie enchiladas for the win. They are so delicious and super easy. And thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.